Neck crunches on a tubeless bustier. This is what you are going to be learning in this video. Good day, fashionistas. So today I'm going to show you how to make a neck crunches. So what you have to do is to measure where it's going to stop on the neck. For mine, I'm going to be attaching it to my bustier of 6 inches deep. So you want to measure round like this to where it will stop. Okay, and that will be 19 inches. Depending on the amount of fabric that you have, you can multiply that by 2 or 2.5, or how long your fabric is. So I've cut this out, and then the width of this, if you open it up, is 3.5 inches. So it's just perfect, because I'm going to be putting a 1-inch band inside. So the next thing that I'm going to do, I'll fold it into 2 like this. On the wrong side, I'm just going to sew. I'll sew with about 1/2 inch straight down. So the next thing is just to turn it inside out. So this is what I have after turning it out. So I'm going to iron it. This is it after ironing. I'm going to cut out the elastic. I'm cutting 20 inches. Use a safety pin to pass it. I use pin to secure it. I'm going to stitch it down. So I'll stitch it down and stitch it. So that is it, is ready. So I'll go ahead and attach it to my bustier. This is Joidala Fashion Guide. So it's going to be on the bustier like this. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.